Choosing the right bicycle helps young riders enjoy comfort, safety, and confidence on every ride. Best bikes for girls combine durable frames, smooth handling, stylish designs, and age-appropriate features, making daily rides, school trips, and outdoor adventures enjoyable and dependable. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. JOYSTAR 16-inch bike for girls. The JOYSTAR 16-inch bike for girls is thoughtfully designed to combine eye-catching style with kid-friendly functionality, making it an excellent choice for young riders who are just beginning their cycling journey. The bright, cheerful colors and charming princess theme instantly appeal to children, while details like the doll seat, cute front basket, and DIY decals add a sense of fun and personalization that keeps kids excited to ride. Beyond its looks, this bike places a strong emphasis on safety, which is essential for parents. It features a front hand caliper brake paired with a rear coaster brake, giving children dependable stopping power and helping them learn proper braking control as they grow. Reflectors on the front, rear, and wheels improve visibility, while the enclosed chain guard keeps little legs and clothing protected. Designed specifically for kids, the bike includes removable training wheels that provide extra balance and confidence during the learning phase. The adjustable saddle and stem height allow the bike to grow with your child, ensuring a comfortable fit over time and smoother pedaling. Its single-speed drivetrain keeps operation simple, reducing distractions and making it easier for young riders to focus on balance and steering. Parents will appreciate the easy assembly, as the bike arrives 85% pre-assembled, with basic tools included, usually taking around 20 minutes to put together. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, the JOYSTAR 16-inch bike is a reliable, fun, and confidence-boosting gift that encourages outdoor activity, coordination, and a love for cycling. Number 2. Glerc 20-inch bike for girls. The Glerc 20-inch bike for girls stands out with its elegant, retro-inspired design that blends classic style with modern safety features. Its vintage metal frame and brown faux leather saddle give it a distinctive look that feels both timeless and charming, making it an appealing choice for kids who want something a little different from standard children's bikes. While the design is stylish, the bike is clearly built with young riders in mind. A lower standover height makes mounting and dismounting easier, while short travel aluminum brake levers are sized perfectly for smaller hands, allowing better control and confidence. Safety is further enhanced through the use of both hand brakes and a coaster brake, giving beginners reliable stopping options and helping them develop good riding habits early on. The bike is lightweight enough for easy handling, yet sturdy enough to feel stable on neighborhood rides. Comfort and usability are key strengths, as the frame geometry supports a natural riding posture that reduces fatigue during longer rides. Parents will also appreciate the straightforward sizing guidings, which helps ensure the bike fits properly based on height and inseam rather than age alone. Assembly is quick and convenient, thanks to the 85% pre-assembled design and included tools, typically taking about 25 minutes to complete. Overall, the Glerc 20-inch bike delivers a balanced mix of safety, comfort, and standout aesthetics, making it a great option for children ready to ride with more independence while still enjoying a fun, stylish bike that builds confidence with every ride. Number 3. JOYSTAR Daisy Bike for Girls. The JOYSTAR Daisy Bike for Girls is a delightful blend of playful design and practical features, making it a popular choice for young riders and parents alike. Its vibrant colors and charming princess theme immediately capture attention, while extras like the doll seat, decorative basket, and DIY decals turn every ride into an imaginative adventure. This bike isn't just about looks, as it is built with safety as a top priority. A front hand caliper brake combined with a rear coaster brake provides reliable stopping power, helping children feel secure while learning to ride. Reflectors placed on the front, rear, and wheels improve visibility, and the enclosed chain guard adds an extra layer of protection by keeping clothing and small legs away from moving parts. Designed specifically for kids, the Daisy bike includes removable training wheels that support balance and confidence during the early stages of riding. As children grow, the adjustable saddle and stem height allow the bike to adapt, extending its usability and ensuring a comfortable fit over time. The single-speed drivetrain keeps operation simple, making it easier for young riders to focus on steering and balance rather than complicated gear changes. Parents will also appreciate how easy it is to assemble, as the bike comes 85% pre-assembled with basic tools included, usually requiring only about 20 minutes to complete. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, the JOYSTAR Daisy Bike is a thoughtful gift that promotes physical activity, coordination, and self-confidence, while delivering endless fun and memorable outdoor experiences.
Number 4. Schwinn Elm Bike for Girls. The Schwinn Elm Bike for Girls reflects the brand's long-standing reputation for quality, safety, and thoughtful design. Created to help children learn to ride with confidence, this bike is available in multiple wheel sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of heights and ages. Its simple, single-speed drivetrain ensures smooth and easy riding, allowing kids to focus on balance and steering without the distraction of shifting gears. One of the standout features is Schwinn's Smart Start ergonomic design, which tailors the bike's geometry to children's proportions. This results in easier handling, more comfortable pedaling, and improved control, all of which are essential for building early riding confidence. The adjustable seat allows for quick, tool-free height changes, ensuring the bike can grow alongside your child and remain comfortable for longer periods. Parents value the bike's sturdy construction and dependable performance, while kids enjoy the smooth ride whether they're heading to the park or cruising along the sidewalk. Schwinn's attention to detail and commitment to safety make this bike a trusted option for families. With over 130 years of experience, Schwinn brings proven expertise to every design, and the Elm bike is no exception. It offers a balanced combination of durability, comfort, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for parents looking for a reliable starter bike that supports skill development and encourages a lifelong love of cycling.
Number 5. Bixike Kickstand Bike for Girls. The Bixike Kickstand Bike for Girls is designed to turn everyday rides into magical experiences while maintaining a strong focus on safety and practicality. Its dreamy princess-themed design, complete with delicate decals, a charming woven basket, and colorful handlebar streamers, makes it especially appealing to young riders who love imaginative play. Beneath its fairy tale appearance, the bike is built with reliable safety features that parents can trust. A responsive front handbrake and rear coaster brake provide dependable stopping power, while anti-slip pedals and a thick, cushioned saddle ensure stability and comfort during rides. The fully enclosed chain guard, front and rear reflectors, and clear bell add extra layers of protection and visibility. This bike is thoughtfully offered in a wide range of sizes, allowing it to grow with children from their first riding attempts to confident cycling years. Removable training wheels support beginners, while the balanced frame design helps kids transition smoothly as their skills improve. Assembly is simple thanks to the 85% pre-assembled structure and clear instructions, making setup quick and stress-free for parents. Easy maintenance and durable materials make it a practical long-term investment. Overall, the Bixike Kickstand bike combines enchanting design with dependable construction, making it a wonderful choice for parents seeking a safe, stylish, and confidence-building bike for their child. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.